Hi students, today we go to exercise 2.8, question number 5. Solve the equation z cube plus 27 is equal to 0. See the question again, solution z cube plus 27 is equal to 0. Z here plus 27 go to right side means z cube is equal to minus 27. Next cube root on both side. Z equal to 27 whole power 1 by 3 into minus 1 power 1 by 3. What is the polar form of minus 1? Cos pi plus I sin pi. Already we know. Next 27 means 3 cube. So 3 cube power 1 by 3 means 3 cancels. So finally we get it 3. Next cos pi plus I sin pi is a polar form of minus 1 whole power 1 by 3. There is a polar form. Next we can add 2k pi in argument. So 3 into cos 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi plus pi whole power 1 by 3. Go to next step using De Moivre's theorem. What is the De Moivre's theorem? The power term would apply of argument value. Okay. So 3 into cos 2k pi plus pi by 3 plus I sin 2k pi plus pi by 3. What is the k? Power line cube root on the 3 values, fourth root on the 4 values, fifth root on the 5 values. So here cube root means k equal to 0, 1 and 2. So there is the final answer is z. You want the z individual values. So put it k equal to 0. First one. What is z? Z equal to 3 into k equal to 0 apply பண்ணும்போது the full time 0 ஆயிரும். So pi by 3. So cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 answer 1 by 2 plus I sin pi by 3 root 3 by 2. Already we know. Next k equal to 1 implies z equal to, put it here. Okay. So 3 into cos 2 into 1. Here 2 pi plus pi. Totally 3 pi by 3. Finally we get cos pi plus I sin pi. Cos pi answer minus 1 sin pi is also 0. Next 3 into minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Next k equal to 2. Substitute same here also. So 3 into z equal to 3 into cos 2 means 2 2s are 4, 4 plus pi. Totally 5 pi by 3 plus I sin 5 pi by 3, that can be written as cos 5 pi by 3 means 2 pi minus pi. This is a 5 pi by 3. So we get the answer 1 by 2 I into root 3 by 2. This is the last answer. This is we want first 3 cube. Here cube root means we want 3 answers. Okay. Fourth root means we find out 4 answers. Okay. Go to sixth question. If omega not equal to 1 is a cube root of unity. What is a cube root of unity means? Sum of the three roots equal to 0, because 1 plus omega plus omega squared equal to 0, and then cube root value is 1. So omega cube is equal to 1, again 1. Seriya? So the given question is z minus 3 whole cube is equal to minus 8. Here plus 8, go to right side, so minus 8. Next step, here interchange the sign. So plus 1 minus z go to negative side. So whole cube negative வெளியில வரும். அந்த negative தூக்கி right side போட்டோம்னா already negative இருக்கு. So positive மாறிடுது. So is equal to 8. Next cube root on both side. 1 minus z whole cube whole power 1 by 3. 3 cancelled. So remaining 1 minus z is equal to 8 power 1 by 3. Here 8 can be separately 8 into 1. So 8 power 1 by 3 into 1 power 1 by 3. Here 8 means 2 cube. So cube and 3 are cancelled. So finally we get 2, and then 1 power 1 by 3. Already we know cube root of unity values. First one 1, and then second root omega, and then third root omega squared. These are the 3 values of cube root of unity. Next multiple of 2 means 2 into 1 2. Next 2 into omega 2 omega, and then third root 2 into omega squared 2 omega squared. That is the left side answer 1 minus z. First we go to 1 right side. So minus z is equal to 2 minus 1 1, 2 omega minus 1, and then third term 2 omega squared minus 1. Individually எல்லா வேல்யூக்கும் நீ அப்ளை பண்ணணும். Next sign change for all the terms. Here minus z, that is z is equal to plus 1 is change of minus 1. Next is 2 terms sign changes. So 1 is a positive value, put it first one, and then 2 omega is a negative value, put it second value. So 1 minus 2 omega, same here also 1 is a real part, this is a positive value. So 1 minus 2 omega square. These are the 3 values. This is so that question. So answers question there go, the answer you going to the point. Okay. Next, see 7th question. Find the value of sigma k equal to 1 to 8. It's not 0 to 8. Here k equal to 1 to 8. Cos 2k pi by 9 plus I sin 2k pi by 9. Here cube root means divided by 9 இருக்கும். So sum of the three roots equal to 0 சொல்லுவோம். Same type here also divided by 9 ன்றனால sum of 9 roots is equal to 0. Already we know. So sum of 9 roots means k equal to 0 to 8. This is sum of 9 values. So k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 8 வரைக்கும். So k equal to 0 to 8, that same cos and sin terms. So cos 2k pi by 9 plus I sin 2k pi by 9 is equal to 0. This is sum of the 9 roots is equal to 0. Okay. So I want first k equal to 0. Here first root is k equal to 0 கொடுக்கும்போது cos 0 plus I sin 0, the full term 0 ஆயிரும். So that is the first root. Okay. So what is the remaining 8 roots? Put it same summation value. So sigma k equal to 1 to 8 cos 2k pi by 9 plus I sin 2k pi by 9. இதோட வேல்யூ நான் கண்டுபிடிக்கல because this you want the result. Next cos 0 equal to 1 and then sin 0 0. So 1 plus same summation is equal to 0. Here 1 go to right side. What is the result? Sigma k equal to 1 to 8 cos 2k pi by 9 plus I sin 2k pi by 9 is equal to minus 1. So என்ன ப்ரூவ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா 9 ரூட்ஸில் ஒரு ரூட்டை மட்டும் பிரிச்சாச்சு. திஸ் இஸ் ஃபஸ்ட் ரூட்டு. மீதி இருக்கிற 8 ரூட்ஸு டோட்டல் ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு -1 ப்ரூவ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஓகே, இந்த மாதிரி கொஷின்ஸ் நிறைய 1 மார்க்கில் கேட்பாங்க, பார்த்து வச்சுங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒரு 8th கொஷின். If omega is a cube root of unity, what is a cube root of unity? Means sum of the 3 roots equal to 0 and then 4th root is equal to the first root. Okay. Next, so that first question and then second question, you want two proof. See, first question, take LHS 1 minus omega plus omega squared whole power 6 plus 1 plus omega minus omega squared whole power 6. See here 1 plus omega squared. So இதில் வந்து நம்ம 1 plus omega squared என்ன வரும் பாரு, 1 plus omega squared, omega go to right side, so plus omega go to right side means minus omega. So 1 plus omega squared can be change of minus omega. Already here another one minus omega, so minus omega minus omega minus 2 omega whole power 6 plus here also 1 plus omega is change of minus omega squared. Already one minus omega squared is here, so total minus 2 omega squared whole power 6. So power of 6 means 2 power 6 is a positive power term, so put it positive term 64. Here also 64, take outside and then omega power 6 plus omega power 12. Here 6 and 12 both are multiples of 3. So cube root means multiple of 3 power la irundha appadina that answer 1 mudichalam. So because omega cube is equal to 1 and also omega power 6 is written as omega cube whole power 2 is equal to 1 power 2 is equal to 1. Same is also omega power 12 also. What is omega power 12? Omega cube whole power 4. So 1 power 4 that is equal to 1. Same type. So omega power 6 means 1, omega power 12 means that's also 1. So 1 plus 1 2. So 2 into 64 128. This is RHS. So this is the first proof. Next what is second one, take LHS. Here also 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega squared. I take these two terms. Here first term. Next take second two terms, 1 plus omega power 4. Here omega is a cube root of unity, so omega power 4 means omega cube into omega. Omega cube 1, so 1 plus omega. And also omega power 8, this is not a multiple of 3, so omega power 6 into omega squared, that can be written as 1 plus omega squared. And also total எத்தனை terms இருக்கு அப்படின்னா, here 2 power 0, here 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and then 2 power 11. 2 power 11 means 12 terms is here. So take first two terms is a one part and then second two terms take another part and so on, last two terms. This is a 2 power omega power 2 power 10, that term 1 plus omega, and then 1 plus omega power 2 power 11, that can be written as 1 plus omega squared. This is the last two terms. So 12 terms can be written as 6 terms because this is a multiple of 2 terms I collected. Next 1 plus omega is a value is minus omega squared, and then 1 plus omega squared value is minus omega. Next, here also 1 plus omega minus omega squared, 1 plus omega squared minus omega, and so on. Last time is also same type, total times same 6 times. Next, multiple of the 6 times value is minus omega squared into minus omega, minus minus plus, and then omega squared into omega cube. This is the first term. Next, second term is also omega cube, and then last term, this is 6th term, is also omega cube. So how many times? Here 6 times, put it here lastly. Next, omega cube answer. See here, omega cube equal to 1 because cube root of unity. Okay. So omega cube means 1. So 1 into up to 6 times. That is a 6 times multiple of 1s. That is equal to 1. This is RHS. Okay. See here, this type of way we can find out this result. Okay. See you in the next class. Thank you, students.